In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add YouTube logo in Canva. Let's get started right inside your Canva project. Open the design you're already working on. Maybe it's a thumbnail, a presentation, or a social post. This matters because you'll be placing the logo directly into the layout you're editing, so you can immediately see how it fits with your colors and text. On the left side of the Canva editor, you'll see the main toolbar. Click on Elements. This is Canva's library for shapes, icons, illustrations, and more. And it's exactly where the YouTube logo lives. Think of Elements as your one-stop shop for visual add-ons that keep your design clean and on brand. Inside Elements, use the search bar at the top and type YouTube logo. Don't worry about capitalization. Canva will understand the term either way. In a moment, you'll see a range of graphic options appear. These are typically vector-style icons and illustrations that work well at any size. You may notice several variations: the classic red play button, outlined versions, monochrome options, and even icon sets that include YouTube among other social platforms. Pick a style that matches your design's tone, bold and red for high visibility, or a simple outline if you need something subtle. As you browse, keep an eye on the small labels. Some graphics are marked as free, while others may have a crown icon, indicating they're available with a pro plan. Choose the one that fits your needs and is available to your account. Also, look for clean, official-looking icons that resemble the recognizable YouTube play button. This helps your audience instantly understand what they're seeing. When you find the one you want, simply click it. Canva will place the logo directly into your design. From here, you can continue working on your project as usual, confident that the logo is now part of your canvas. If you're creating a set of designs, you can repeat the same search to keep your branding consistent across each page. A quick note on best practices: keep the logo clear and unobstructed, give it a bit of breathing room so it's easy to recognize, and avoid stretching or warping it. If you're publishing commercially, make sure your use aligns with YouTube's brand guidelines and your Canva license terms. And that's it. You've added the YouTube logo in Canva quickly and cleanly without any extra steps. Continue building out your project and enjoy how much more polished your design looks with a proper, recognizable icon in place.